there are a couple of ways that you could actually compile it. One of them is actually using your old school command prompt or terminal, and the other is that they have given a lot of application that it could help you run Saas. But I actually am old school, so I am just going to use my own text editor, Visual Studio Code, and the only things I have to do is go and look for a extension called Live Saas Compiler. Once you actually search it, click to the install button, which would view for you over here. I already have installed it, so it's not showing up for me. Once you actually install it, you would actually find out that it added a button, Watch Saas, under this bottom tab. Now, as you can see, all I have did so far in this project is I created an HTML file, nothing in here, and I linked it up with a CSS file, which is not here yet because it would be compiled down from my SCSS file. And in my SCSS file, as you can see, it's pretty much CSS. So there are a lot of new things which I'm not here to explain in this tutorial. We will look at it in another separate series, which I will make just for Saas, okay? Over here, just look at this code. Now, all you need to do once you're done writing your Saas or SCSS code, just click this Watch Saas button. And as you can see, it has created two files for me. One of them is actually index.css. And whatever I have written over here is actually compiled down to here. One more thing is that it's live. So, which means if I go over here and change this to another color and go back to my CSS file, as you can see, the change is also reflected over here. So, it's just like live server. It's live Saas compiler. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you understand why we actually need it, just to compile, just to make the compilation experience for us easier. So that's it for this video, guys.